Morning, guys. But yeah, just got done doing the pre-trip. But the one thing that I do, besides doing the pre-trip, is I clean these off. That's what I do on these, every one of these reflectors. It doesn't take long. You can do it, and while you're here, you can wipe this light off. And you go down through, and you do it. I see so many trailers running down the highway, and you can't see the reflectors. And plus, it's good to do it in the wintertime and in the summertime. Because wintertime, because of all the snow and ice, all that road yuck. That's why I also do the one on the back here. That's why you never see mine completely filthy. It's because I go down along it. I do the door up here. I do this number. You do your trailer number. That way, I gotta get a GoPro. So that way I'm not holding the camera all the time. But anyways, so as we do that, then while we're here, no reason to wipe these off. No reason at all. No reason to wipe off your plate light. No reason why you shouldn't, I mean. Alright? Come over here. To this side. Boom. And then you come up through. Keep right on down. Moving your rag around some, so you're not doing the dirt all over the next one. Yeah, see? It's an easy part of the pre-trip I never see anybody doing. Never. Yeah. Now this way, they can't say that they can't say they couldn't see my reflectors. But this, look at this. That's the way it was when I got the trailer. That should have automatically been replaced. That's a DOT violation. That too. Which will check on, see how much they cost for a strip. Then we'll replace them ourselves. Alright. See that now? Alright. And if you also have a Freightliner like this, you can take the rag and you can do this. Clean up your light. That way your light's all clean. Okay? Hey, look at that. How nice and clean. Lights are all clean, part of the pre-trip. You know, you gotta check everything out. You check to make sure the lights work, right? You should also make sure that they are clean to see, proper. Well, there you guys go. But maybe I just put this little video out and show you guys that's what you should be doing. It's not that hard. Trust me, it's not. All right, guys. Later.